Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and this is another peacock from Hobby Lobby. I actually diamond painted the similar design, not the similar, the same design a few weeks ago, and it was purchased from me right away, and another person saw it and she liked it so much that she wanted to buy it from me, and technically I sold it before I diamond painted it, but I made it a little bit brighter than the previous one. What I did, I used a brighter crystals here on the tail spots of the peacock. I used these emerald green drills. However, I was supposed to use this color, this light green, but I wanted it to be a little bit brighter, and I also used bright orange crystals instead of these acrylic drills. I didn't really enhance the background much. I stick to the original drills, but I did add a few crystals here on the top. I'm not sure how this thing is called, on the top of the peacock's head, and I also decided to use the crystals on the background a little bit. I added a few more ABs, specifically the rose ones over here, and orange ones. Maybe the difference is not very noticeable in comparison to the previous kit that I diamond painted on the camera, but in real life it is more visible. And I really hope that the person who bought it from me is going to like it. Now I'm planning on working more on smaller kits, such as these gorgeous bookmarks that I purchased from AliExpress or Temu maybe 4 or 3 months ago. I also want to work on the keychains from Make Market and from AliExpress, because I want to try to sell them, maybe $2 or $3 each. And other snack-sized kits are mostly fall themed. I will just try my best to sell it and make some money, raise some money for Christmas kits that are coming very soon in September, maximum in October. This kit comes pre-framed, mounted on the wood, better to say. It contains 30 colors, all of them are acrylic, but I did customize it with ABs, with crystals, with metallic drills. If you want more information on that, you can watch my previous video where I diamond painted the same design but tried to stick to the original color, so I enhanced it with the crystals that resemble the original pastel colors rather than bright ones. So you can watch the video to learn more about it and compare this very design with the other one that already left my house and is hanging on the wall of the person who bought it. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.